Hi everyone, it's Miss Clint. Hope you're doing well. I just decided to come on here to do a math lesson with you guys. Our new math unit is going to be all about money. I will be going through the slides that I created introducing each of the coins, so please follow along. Canadian money. On the first slide there, you can see a whole bunch of different coins, and you can also see the bills. The interesting thing about the bills is they used to be made out of paper, but paper is not that strong, so now they make bills out of plastic. The first coin we're going to talk about is a penny. It says this is a penny. It is worth 1 cent. Pennies are made out of copper. I have an example here. Okay, it's kind of a bronze color. The penny has 2 maple leaves on it, and then it says, can you draw a penny? So I'd like you to get a blank sheet of paper and try to draw a penny like the one you see in the picture there. Okay, you should have 2 maple leaves on it. You should write 1 cent, it should say Canada, and then you'll notice there's a year on the penny. This penny is from 2010. Okay, you can choose whichever year you want your penny to be from and write that on. I know most of you were born, I believe, 2013. Correct me if I'm wrong. So you may choose to write the year 2013 on there. Okay, but something that's interesting about pennies is they are not made anymore. Okay, so I had a really hard time finding some pennies for you guys because we don't use them anymore. Okay, but if you were to count pennies, you would count by ones. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. Okay. The next coin we're going to talk about is the nickel. This is the nickel. It's worth 5 cents. And nickels have a beaver on them. And then it says, can you draw a nickel? So I will show you a nickel. Here it is. Okay, it's silver in color. And again, I would like you to try your best to draw it. I have a bunch of nickels here. Nickels are worth 5 cents, so to count them, you count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and you guys should be quite good at counting by fives. So that's how you count nickels, by fives. So draw me a nickel with a beaver on it. You guys are good artists. Next is a dime. It is worth 10 cents. Dimes are very tiny in size. Here's a dime. Okay, it's actually even smaller than a penny. So there's the dime, and there's the penny, and you'll see that the dime is smaller. See, it's a little bit smaller than the penny. Okay, dimes are very tiny in size, even smaller than a penny, and they have a boat on them called the Balloon Nose, which I saw. It's in Nova Scotia. Okay, and please draw me a dime. Next is a quarter. Okay, the quarter is a bigger coin, and it has a caribou on it. Okay, this is a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. The animal on the quarter is called a caribou. Okay, and if you have 4 quarters, you have $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. Okay, and draw me a quarter with the caribou. Next is the loonie. It's worth $1. Okay, there's a loonie there. Okay, it's also the same as 100 cents. So if I had 100 of these pennies, 100 pennies, okay, if you can imagine, that'd be a lot. That would be the same as $1 because 100 cents is $1. Okay, it's called a loonie because the animal on the coin is called a loon. So I'd like you to draw that as well. Next is a toonie. It's the biggest coin. This is what it looks like here. It's worth $2 and has a polar bear on it. Okay, can you draw me a toonie? Okay, a toonie is $2. Okay, so it's the same as having 2 loonies. Okay, $1 plus $1 equals $2. Okay, please draw me a toonie with the polar bear. Color it in. There you can see all the coins to help you, okay, with drawing them. You scroll down more, it says click the link below to watch I've Got Canada in My Pocket Sing Along. Okay, and this is a song all